All right, boys and girls, welcome back. Hopefully, we won't have any more video mishaps. Though it's been a day of technical difficulties, hopefully, it will end soon. Alrighty, so here we are at our reading table, and we're going to start off with our words to know. First word to know is he. He spells he. It is a pronoun. And in this sentence, they say, the chameleon is hungry when he wakes up. So they're using it to replace the chameleon in the sentence. And our next word is no, probably a word you're very familiar with. You hear it a lot, right? No, no, no. And we spell that N-O spells no. And the sentence here is, there is no chameleon in this tree, which is true. There is no chameleon in the tree. Alrighty, so we will do a little bit more work with our words to know later this week. Right now, we're going to go to our letters. Our first letter is the letter H, and our friend Hattie Horse is demonstrating the letter H. And we know that the H makes the sound correct, as in horse and Hattie and had. Alrighty, and then we have Keely Kangaroo, and Keely Kangaroo makes the k sound, as in kangaroo, kite, and let me think of one more word, kit. All right. So again, we're going to be working with these words later today. As a matter of fact, we're going to work right now with these letters in my book. Again, this would be our large chart in our classroom, but in our virtual classroom, our online class, it's in a little book. So we have our letters H and K, and I'm looking at the hen. Does that begin with an H or a K sound? Correct. It begins with the sound. How about key or K, key? Good job. K sound. Kite. That's pretty much an easy one, right? Has that K sound. Hat. Yep, has the sound. Cat. Yes, cat has a K sound. Although it's spelled with a C, it does make a K sound. And hammer. Hammer. Yes, has an H sound. All right, so you're going to work a little bit more on page 55 in your journals. You're going to be tracing your letters and filling in the letters sounds for the pictures they have in your book. All right, so we are moving right along. We're going into blending. All right, here we go. Let me move my book. All righty, so I'm going to sound out the words, and I want you to guess at what it is. And then I'll show you the word, and then we'll break it down together. So our first word is at. At. And that would be, taking too many cards at one time, pot. P-at. P-at. Pot. All right, next word. P-a-n. P-a-n. What would that word be? If you said pan, you are correct. P-a-n. P-a-n spells pan. Next word. K-it. K-it. If you said kit, you are correct. K-it. K-it spells kit. Our last one. B-ug. B-ug. If you said bug, you are correct. B-ug. B-ug. spells bug. Alrighty, we're going to quick erase. There we go. All right, so I'm going to write a word on the board. We're going to sound it out. Then we're going to quickly erase the first sound and see what our next word is. So our first word is sock, sock, sock. If I change the S to an M, that is mock, mock. People say, he's mocking me. He's copying me, right? It means the same thing, mock. If I change the M to an L, I have lock, lock. All right, so that's that quick erase. Let's change the whole word. We're going to go to sit, sit. All right, if I change sit, if I change the S to an M, I have mit. If I change the M to an H, I have it, hit. Good job, boys and girls. Erase the whole word. Let's go with et, let. If I change the L in let to met. If I change the M in met and I put an N, I have net. Alrighty, here's what I would like you to do. On your question sheet, I have a question sheet for you. I have 3 other words. I'm going to write them down here. I have van. I have fit. And I have rat. So on your question sheet is a question Google form. I want you to give me 2 words that are quick erase for van. So it's like you have done the quick erase. You erased your V and you put another letter. And then you erase that letter and then you put another letter. So you're going to do what I do, but you're going to do it on paper. Okay, so you're going to write in 2 more words for van, 2 more words for the fit quick erase, and 2 more words for the rat quick erase. So you want to keep the last 2 letters of each word and just change the first letter 2 times. All right? So I want to see how you do with that. Hopefully you do an excellent job. I'm sure you will. All righty. I'm going to go right back to the reading table very quickly. As you know, I do not have my book or the books here with me, but I want to go over the vocabulary for chameleon, and then you're going to listen to the story on a YouTube story or a YouTube channel, okay? All right, so here we go. Danger is a word you'll see in the chameleon story, and it's something that may hurt you. Juicy is filled with liquid. Peaceful, very calm. And poisonous can make you sick. All right, so those are words you're going to see in your story. And I think that's it for right now. So we're going to take a break here. Go check out Miss LaBerth, and then go ahead to the video that the YouTube channel for the book. Listen to the story, and then when you come back, we will be on writing. All right. Yep, that's it. And just remember to do page 55. All right, boys and girls, enjoy.